Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am very excited for the products that I am trying out. This is the starter kit from Ghost Democracy. First off, I just want to say thank you to Ghost Democracy because they did send me these products. However, that will not impact my opinion on these products, and I will still be giving a 100% honest review on this brand. Ghost Democracy is actually a brand that I have heard of before in some of the skincare blogs that I follow. I really love the ingredients that they incorporate in their products. Something that I really love about Ghost Democracy is they leave out a ton of sensitizing ingredients such as essential oils, fragrances, silicones, drying alcohols, and phthalates. I mean, that's just a few of the things that they leave out. The list goes on and on. If you would like to learn more about this brand, you can click the link in the description to go to their website. The three products that are included in the starter kit are the Transparent Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser. They also give you a choice of a serum. They have sent me the Floodgate Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and then the Clean Lightweight Daily Face Moisturizer. If you all want to see the full ingredient list of all of these products, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. You can purchase this starter kit for $66, which is 20% off of the retail value of all three of these products. I am very excited to try all three of these products because I feel like a cleanser, a serum, and a moisturizer is a perfect display that really shows how a brand is. What I really like about the cleanser is that it combines both AHAs and BHAs at a pretty low concentration, which is great because it is a daily face cleanser. One big thing that I'm looking for with it is just to see if it causes any sensitivity. I do have combination skin, and sometimes exfoliating cleansers can be a little bit intense for me. Another thing that I really like about this brand is that they focus on using more actives and less harsh chemicals, and that is really displayed in the cleanser. Everything in this product is really good for your skin, and so I'm really excited to try it. Let's move on to the serum, which is actually the product that I am most excited to try out of this line. It's not your typical hyaluronic acid serum. This has niacinamide in it, and it also has other ingredients that separate it from just the typical hydration serum. They have incorporated a nice blend of hyaluronic acid in this product, and just like the cleanser, the ingredients in this product are really impressive. The final product in this kit is a moisturizer. This says it is a daily moisturizer, so I really am curious to see if I can use it both day and night. I usually struggle with moisturizers the most, so this will be the product I'm most interested to see if I can use it. I do just want to see how these products work. I will keep you all posted along the way and let you all know how this trial is going. I will be continuing to do check-ins with these products, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I am here to give you all my first impressions on these products. So I've only used them a couple of times, but I do have some first thoughts. I'm going to start with the cleanser. I do think that this cleanser is very gentle. The only time that I did experience just a little bit of sensitivity was right after I shaved, which that's normal. It's definitely a more gentle active because it just causes a little bit of initial stinging. It doesn't cause anything too crazy. It's not drying whatsoever, and it seems to be doing a really great job at removing my sunscreen. My favorite products out of this line actually caught me by surprise. I thought it was going to be the cleanser, and I love the cleanser so far, but the serum and the moisturizer, these are so unique. These are like really unique textures. I'm going to talk about the serum first, and then I'll get to the moisturizer. The serum is very lightweight, but it packs a major punch with hydration. It doesn't leave me feeling greasy. I've used it during the daytime and at night. Seems to be working great both times. Now I finally get to talk about the moisturizer. I am so surprised by this moisturizer. It's a really thin consistency, but the hydration level that it delivers, it's like a gel moisturizer that delivers an amazing amount of hydration. It goes on my skin and it just sinks in right away, but it doesn't go away. It still delivers a nice amount of hydration. When I felt that it was a thinner texture, I was a little worried that it would not provide enough hydration for my combination skin, but I was really wrong. The hydration serum and this product provided a great amount of hydration to my skin. So I'm really liking the results I've seen so far. I've only used it a few times, but as of right now, I'm really impressed. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I am back to give you all my final thoughts on these products. So I'm going to talk about these products in order from my favorite to my least favorite. But I do have to say that all of these products did work for me, and I really didn't have any least favorite product. I do have a favorite though, and that is the serum. This hydrating serum is so thick and so amazing. It provides an amazing amount of hydration to my skin, and that's been perfect because it is the winter time, and I always want a little bit of a more hydrating serum for the winter time. One of the reasons that is my favorite product out of this line is because it didn't cause any acne, and I feel like it was a hydrating yet balanced product. It really just made my skin feel amazing. I definitely feel like this serum has become one of my favorite hyaluronic acid serums because it doesn't cause any acne or any texture to come up on my skin. This hydration serum was very well formulated, and I feel like this product is really worth it. My second favorite product in this line is the moisturizer. This product is so amazingly hydrating, especially considering how lightweight it is, and it also delivered a lot of soothing benefits to my skin. I love the ingredients in this product. The only thing is sometimes when using it both day and night, I did have to apply an extra layer of hydration onto my skin, which I usually have to do with most moisturizers if they are designed for both day and night. I do know that Ghost Democracy also has a thicker, more hydrating moisturizer, and I feel like I would be interested to trying that in the future because I feel like I could use this product during the daytime and maybe the other one would be more designed for nighttime. Some days it wasn't a big deal. I found it to be fine on the nights that I didn't use too many actives or more drying actives, but sometimes when I did go in with an AHA or a retinol, I didn't find this moisturizer to be hydrating enough for me on those nights that I did use those actives, but this combined with an overnight sleeping mask was perfect for me. I woke up and my skin did not feel dry, and the nights that I didn't use those actives, it was perfect. Now, even though the cleanser is my least favorite in this line, I really didn't find that many negative things with the cleanser. I found it to be a very gentle exfoliating cleanser, and it didn't really cause that much sensitivity to my skin. With that being said, I personally just don't like using an exfoliating cleanser every day, both day and night. If I were to use an exfoliating cleanser every day, I would only use it once a day and probably at nighttime. I found this cleanser to be great to removing sunscreen, and also I found it great to work in the daytime, so I don't have a preference on which time of day I would use it. I feel like that I would like to see an option just like there is with the hyaluronic acid serum and the vitamin C serum in this starter kit. I feel like it would be nice to also have an option on whether or not you choose an exfoliating cleanser or a non-exfoliating cleanser. Now, I know that Ghost Democracy does not have a non-exfoliating cleanser at the moment, but I would personally be interested in seeing a more hydrating cleanser or just a cleanser without any exfoliators in it, because I feel like with my great experience with all three of these products, it would be nice to see it expand that and to make it a little bit more inclusive for people who do have more sensitive skin and may not want to use an exfoliating cleanser both day and night every day. Like I said, this cleanser wasn't terribly stripping, it wasn't foaming, and I didn't really experience a lot of sensitivity. It just is a preference of mine to just use an exfoliating cleanser once a day. I don't think this product is bad, and if you don't struggle from sensitive skin, then I definitely think you can use it both day and night. I just personally found it to be just a little bit too much for both of those. However, I really like the results I've seen with my skin. My skin has been looking really good lately, and it's improved in both acne and texture and hyperpigmentation, and I feel like this line really improved my skin overall. With that being said, I would 100% recommend trying out all three of these products. I am very interested to try more from this brand and see how they expand their brand. I'm really wanting to try out their sunscreen in the future. I feel like their sunscreen has a lot of amazing ingredients in it, and that will be something that I will more than likely be trying in the future. But I think this brand is overall amazing. I really like a lot of their ethics. All three of these products worked great for me. I loved incorporating them into my skincare routine, and I will be continuing to do that. I just want to say thank you to Ghost Democracy for sending me these products. I'm very grateful to have the opportunity to try them, and I definitely recommend trying all three of these products. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this review. If you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.